Hi, my name is Boris Schmurk of the Ask Law Firm, Albergo, Schmurk and Kaufman. Today I want to talk to you a little about auto insurance law in New Jersey. A couple things any consumer should know. If you drive in New Jersey, you need to understand one basic thing, that New Jersey auto insurance law is not like most other states. So if you're injured in a crash, the type of policy you selected can determine whether you can cover real compensation or almost nothing. New Jersey is what's known as a no-fault state. That means your own insurance pays your medical bills first through something called PIP, or Personal Injury Protection. So no matter who caused the accident, you would be covered, assuming you had that type of policy. PIP covers medical treatment, lost wages, and certain essential services. But here's the catch. PIP, or Personal Injury Protection, does not pay you for pain and suffering. To recover for that, you have to clear some hurdles in New Jersey. And what are those hurdles? Well, it's what's known as the verbal threshold versus the zero threshold, or no limitation on lawsuit. So when you buy your auto policy, you choose one of two options: limitation on lawsuit, also called the verbal threshold, or no limitation on lawsuit. If you selected the limitation on lawsuit, you can only recover for pain and suffering if your injury fits into certainly legally defined categories, like a permanent injury. And permanent has a very specific meaning under New Jersey law. It must be proven by objective medical evidence. If you choose no limitation or zero threshold, you don't have to meet that threshold. Most people don't even realize which option they selected. Another thing to keep in mind in New Jersey allows drivers to carry very low liability limits. So that means if someone clearly causes your crash, they may only have nominal or minimum insurance available. In those cases, your own insurance, what's known as uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, may be the most important protection you have. So, what is the bottom line? In New Jersey, what's written in your insurance policy often matters more than who caused the accident. So if you've been injured in a crash, don't assume you know your rights. Have an experienced New Jersey auto injury attorney like us here at the Ask Law Firm review your policy and your medical records before you make any decisions. Because once you sign something, you can't undo it.